Hello viewers, I want to show you how to repair the iPhone 11 power button line missing or not working. Let's solve the problem after the intro. I am trying to examine the present status of the mobile and the power button is not working. Let's unbind the screws using the screwdriver. Unplug the wire. And remove the motherboard. I am checking the button connection by the software as you see on screen. Let's remove the cover from the motherboard. Use the heat gun. Due to the line missing, then I made a new connection. So, the repairing work is done, and let's set the board in the mobile. Bind the screws and connect those wires properly. Let's check if their mobile is working or not. so it's working properly as you see on the screen. And work is done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others.